Imagine being frozen solid, no heartbeat, no breath, no brain activity. But not for the wood frog. Meet Rana sylvatica, the wood frog, a small, unassuming amphibian. When winter comes, this frog doesn't burrow or migrate. It stays put and allows itself to freeze. Yes, literally freeze. Ice crystals form, blood stops, heart ceases. But it's not dead. It's in a suspended state, frozen, yet alive. Thanks to a natural antifreeze, the frog's cells resist damage. All winter, the wood frog remains frozen, then thaws in spring. Heart beats, blood circulates, breathing resumes. Back to life. This ability inspires research into cryopreservation. Nature is full of wonders hidden in the smallest creatures.